Using the remote keyboard during remote control is helpful for tasks that require typing, such as searching for content, entering login information, or using applications that require text input. AirDroid Remote Support enables you to activate the remote keyboard while remote controlling an unattended Android device, allowing you to use the keyboard of the controller device to type messages directly on the controlled device. To activate the remote keyboard while remotely controlling an unattended Android device, follow these steps. Firstly, locate the device. Open the AirDroid Business Desktop client. Find the unattended device you wish to control. Secondly, establish connection. Click on Connect to start a remote control session with the selected device. Once connected, screen sharing and remote control features will be enabled automatically. Next, enable remote keyboard. On the left toolbar, click the switch keyboard icon. Choose AirDroid add-on keyboard. Finally, use the remote keyboard. You can now use the keyboard of your controller device to type text on the controlled device. During remote control an unattended Android device, including black screen mode, markup, screenshot, recording, and rotate screen. Okay, that's all for this video. For more information about AirDroid remote support, please visit our official website and have a free trial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.